In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your Card.co website. Whether you're a musician wanting to showcase your latest tracks, or a business owner adding an engaging podcast to your site, incorporating audio can really enhance your web presence. Adding audio is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step, ensuring clarity and ease along the way. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Card website. Card is a fantastic platform for creating fully responsive one-page sites, and it's incredibly user-friendly, even if you're new to website creation. You'll want to log into your account to access your dashboard. From there, choose the website you want to update, or if you're starting from scratch, pick your starting point by selecting one of Card's templates. Once you've made your selection and your site editor is ready, look at the options available to you. You'll search for a button labeled Add Element. It's usually located on the left side of the screen within the editor toolbar. Clicking this will allow you to customize your site further. When you click Add Element, a range of options will appear. For today's task, you want to select Audio from this list. The audio element is designed specifically to let you embed audio tracks directly into your page. Now, with the audio element selected, you'll need to paste a SoundCloud URL. SoundCloud is a popular platform for audio sharing, widely used by musicians and podcasters. Copy the URL of the track you want to use directly from SoundCloud. It's important to note that you need to copy the URL without any added tracking codes to ensure it works smoothly within Card's framework. If there's a tracking code attached to the URL you're copying, such as anything that comes after a question mark, make sure to remove that extra text before you paste it into the URL field provided in your Card editor. Once you've entered the correct URL and you're satisfied with everything, there's only one more step left. You'll need to finalize this process, and you do so by clicking the Done button. This is usually located at the bottom of the audio settings window. Clicking Done confirms your settings and adds the audio to your page. Your audio element should now be fully integrated into your site, allowing visitors to enjoy your audio content directly through your Card.co page. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added audio to your Card.co website in just a few minutes. Remember, incorporating audio can really make your site stand out and engage visitors in new ways. So try it out and see how it elevates your online presence. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.